Example 3.3, determine the ICI design moment capacity 5 mN for the beam shown in the figure if FC prime is equivalent to 28 megapascal and Fy is equivalent to 420 megapascal. So ito yung cross-section natin. Meron tayong tatlong 36 mm na diameter. Yung width ng beam is 300 mm. Yung effective depth naman is 385. Tsaka yung steel covering is 75 mm. So, for our solution, ganun pa rin. Solve muna natin yung AS min 1. So, 0.85. Square root of FC prime, Fy, times BD. Yung FC prime natin is 28. Fy is 420. Yung width ng beam natin is 300. And our effective depth naman is 385. We'll get this value. Yung second na equation for the minimum steel area is 1.4 Fy times BW times D. Yung Fy natin is 420, yung width ng beam natin is 300, yung D naman natin is 385. So, we'll get this value. So, yung greater sa dalawa is 385. So, ito na ngayon na mag-govern na minimum steel area natin. After that, solve natin yung provided na steel area. So, 3 times pi times diameter na 36 squared all over 4 will get this value. Now, since yung provided na steel area natin is greater sa minimum na steel area, therefore, okay. After that, we're going to assume na yung tensile na steel natin will yield. Fs is equivalent to Fy. That is the case, yung Fs natin dito will now be equivalent to Fy. So, yung AS natin is 3,053, yung Fy natin is 420, 0.85, FC prime 28, yung B natin is 300. So, we'll get a value of 179. After that, i-determine natin yung beta factor. Since yung FC prime natin is 28, within siya dito sa interval na to, therefore 0.85 yung beta factor natin. After that, we're going to determine yung C, which is equivalent to A all over beta. Direct substitution lang, we'll get a value of 211. After that, yung yield stress, so same pa rin, 0.0021. Then, yung strain ng extreme tension steel, 0.003 times D minus C all over C. So, yung D natin, 385. Yung C natin dito is 211. So, by direct substitution, yung strain ng ating tension steel is 0.0024655. And based from our evaluation, greater ito sa ating yield strain. So, therefore, tama yung assumption natin na yung tension steel natin will yield. Also, yung strain ng tension steel natin dito is in between our yield strain tsaka yung 0.005. So, therefore, transition controlled. However, yung strain natin is less than 0.004, meaning hindi ductile yung ating cross-section. So, therefore, hindi dapat. Kasi kung dapat yung na-design na mga beams natin must be ductile based doon sa ductility requirement ng ating code.